Today's video, best toaster oven with convection.
Finding the best products can be very difficult, as the market comes with many types. We've, therefore, spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available to help you. We've ranked these products based on many different factors, such as performance, quality, durability, and value for the money. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best toaster oven with convection.
Starting off our list, at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4.
BLACK+DECKER, change the way you cook. The BLACK+DECKER Extra Wide Convection Oven just might replace your full-size oven. The extended interior fits most 13 by 9-inch pans, a 12-inch frozen pizza, or 8 slices of bread. Plus, convection technology circulates air throughout the oven for fast and even cooking for whatever you're making. Bake, broil, toast, and keep warm functions give great results for a variety of tasks. And the included bake pan and broil rack make the process even easier. A pair of precision timers serve as your trusty cooking partners. The 60-minute timer with stay-on functionality is great for extended cooking tasks, and the dedicated toast timer crisps bread to perfection. Plus, keep the oven tidy with a removable crumb tray that allows you to discard food crumbs before they burn in the bottom of the oven. The BLACK+DECKER Extra Wide Convection Oven. Spacious baking right on the countertop.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3, in the list.
The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2,
Is all the clutter in your kitchen starting to look like an old junkyard? Sick of spending hours cooking, only to serve mediocre meals lacking in flavor? Wish your family would spend less time whining and more time dining? Well, now they can with the new Bravo XL, the world's first digital smart oven with flavor infusion technology. It's a breakthrough in culinary creations. With just a touch, it can bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, even air fry delicious crispy foods with no oil and no extra calories. Discover how 1800 watts and precision control creates your very own pizzeria, and how Bravo begins cooking 4 times faster than your big oven. No more waiting to preheat. And witness Bravo's new secret weapon in action, so you'll never ruin another meal. Guaranteed.
Bravo. Bravo.
Bravo! Compact in size, Bravo can roast a 10-pound chicken or 13-inch pizza with ease. And it replaces that big oven, a deep fryer, stovetop, microwave, and more. Just touch and go to instantly air fry mountains of crispy onion rings, French fries, and wings with no oil or extra calories. Faster than you can get delivery, cook frozen foods to fabulous, like crispy air-fried French fries in just 8 minutes, or juicy homemade air-fried chicken in only 20 minutes. Packed with 1800 watts, Bravo creates super cyclonic hot air to cook foods lightning fast. And our exclusive flavor infusion technology ensures even cooking, so meals are served golden and delicious every time. But don't stop there. Add Bravo's integrated temperature probe and roast prime meats and fresh poultry to perfection, guaranteed. And never get stuck cleaning a dirty stovetop. With Bravo, just remove the crumb tray and easily toss the mess away. Thermal test proved Bravo can heat up to 4 times faster than a regular oven. Amazing! Dehydrate fruits and nuts, reheat leftovers, bake crispy crust pizzas or family-sized casseroles without waiting to preheat the big oven. With Bravo, the possibilities are endless.
and these are our ratings for this product. At number 1,
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
and these are our ratings for this product.
Best toaster oven with convection.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.